Hello everybody, welcome back to Money Conversations with Magical. In one of my previous videos, I spoke about inflation. And inflation is the rate at which the prices of goods and services rise over a period of time. And hence, inflation erodes the value of your money. It's for this reason I want to speak about the concept of lazy money. Do you have money lying in a traditional bank account, in your M-Pesa account, or even under your mattress somewhere in your house? Yeah, so I was surprised to learn that there's still people who have money in the house, who keep money in their homes. So don't be surprised. So if the answer is yes to any of these questions, it means you have lazy money. So while you're busy working so hard to make money at your workplace or in your business or through wages, your money is literally taking a holiday. Your money is not working for you and it's actually shrinking. So come with me as we try to understand how you can identify if you have lazy money and what you can do to make sure that you're earning some returns with your money. So what is lazy money? Lazy money is any money that is not earning you a rate that is above inflation. So any money that is operating below the rate of inflation is lazy money. So for instance, assume that the current rate of inflation in Kenya is between 6 to 8%. So if your money is in an account, let's say a traditional bank account or an avenue that is not giving you more than 6% return, then that is lazy money. So look at it, look at your money as an employee. So you've employed someone and you're paying them 10,000 shillings per month. But what this person brings you at the end of the month is 3,000 shillings. So you see, the math is not mathing. So most of the time what you do with such an employee is you'd fire them. So why then are you allowing your money to behave in a similar way and still continue behaving the same way? You need to ask yourself that question. So let's consider two people. Person A has 1 million shillings in a bank account for 6 months, a normal bank account, traditional bank account that is giving no returns. Then person B has 1 million shillings that he or she puts in maybe a money market fund or the treasury bills at a modest rate of, let's say, 10% per annum. So at the end of the 6 months, person A will still be having the 1 million shillings in the account while the rate of inflation has gone up. The shopping that he or she is doing has gone up over the months. While person B will have made more than 40,000 shillings through either the money market fund or the treasury bills. And this money, that person can use it to pay for some utilities, pay for electricity, pay for water, pay for some bills here and there. So who is better placed? I believe person B is better because their 1 million is still intact, it's safe, but in the process, that money has earned a few coins that can be used to take care of a few bills here and there. So, which are the most notorious places that your lazy money stays in? Number one is a traditional bank account. Your money lies there, and all this time the bank uses your money to give loans and make money out of your money instead of your money making money for you. The second notorious place is the M-Pesa balances. I was surprised to see someone with some crazy M-Pesa balance, and meanwhile that money is earning 0 shillings for you. The other notorious place is the in-between money. In-between money is money that is lying there waiting for you for a business idea. Yeah, most of these business ideas never come to pass. So you'll find someone has money somewhere and they say, oh, I have these 200,000 shillings, 500,000 shillings, 100,000 shillings. I'm waiting to do a certain project. Yeah, Kenyans have now gotten used to using the word project. Yeah, Nikonaka project. But meanwhile, that money lies there earning nothing. All that money is lazy money. It's actually shrinking and it's not working for you. So what should we do to ensure that we get out of this situation of having lazy money with us? The first thing is you need to do an audit. Audit all the places that your money is in. Where is your money? Is it in the M-Pesa? Is it in the bank account? Is it in your wallet? Is it under your mattress? Where is your money? And wherever that money is it operating at a return that is above inflation? If the answer is no, the second thing you need to do, open a high yielding account. High return giving account that is giving you a rate higher than inflation. So in Kenya currently, you can open a treasury bill, or ideally right now you are happy with the money market, because the money markets are even operating above the treasury bill. So if you open a money market account that is giving you a modest return of 10% per annum, then put your money there. Then the third thing you need to do is you need to be consistent. When you start putting money in those places that are yielding, high yielding, don't just do it once and slide back to having your money in the M-Pesas and in the traditional bank account. You can automate a deduction that your money goes straight into your money market account, into your treasury bills, so that you're earning over and over and not having your money lying in accounts that are not giving you a return. And you might say that how about if I need to access that money tomorrow or the following day? Truth is that the money markets in Kenya right now allow you to access your funds just on your mobile phone. You're seated there and you dial some number and you get your money. So it cannot be that you're stuck with money lying in places that are not giving you value because you want to access the money. So ladies and gentlemen, just find out where your money is. Find out if your money is sleeping, your money is on holiday, or your money is giving you value. And in case you need help with opening some of these accounts, feel free to drop a comment or talk to me on the comments below, and I will be able to guide you depending on what you're looking at. Thank you. Have a lovely day.